In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Asana task recurring. Whether you're new to Asana or looking to streamline your task management, this step-by-step guide will help you effortlessly create tasks that repeat automatically. Let's begin by opening your web browser and heading over to Asana's homepage. If you're not logged in, you'll need to do so first. Enter your email address in the designated field. You'll notice it's a straightforward process. Simply type your email and click on the button that says Continue. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and do so, ensuring your password is entered correctly to avoid any hiccups. After entering your password, click on the Login button to access your Asana account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your Asana homepage. This is your command center where you'll see an overview of all your projects and tasks. From here, locate the project that contains the task you want to make recurring. Click on that project to open it up. Inside your project, you'll want to find the task you're interested in. To do this, navigate to the task list and click on the task you want to modify. This will open the task details, providing a more granular view of the task specifics. Now look for the due date section within the task details. It's usually located on the right hand side of the task panel. Click on the due date to bring up the calendar interface. You'll notice an option here that might be new to you. It's the set to repeat icon. Click on this icon to enable the repeating function for your task. Once you've done that, you'll see a set of options allowing you to choose how often you want this task to repeat. You can select from daily, weekly, monthly, or even custom intervals, depending on your needs. Take a moment to consider the frequency that best suits the task and select your preferred option. And there you have it, your task is now set to repeat at the interval you've chosen. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of tasks that occur regularly, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. By making tasks recurring, you're not just saving time, you're also enhancing efficiency and productivity. Remember, if you ever need to modify this setting or stop the task from recurring, you can always revisit these same steps and make adjustments as needed. Asana makes it simple to customize your workflow, so take advantage of this flexibility to create a task management system that works for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your productivity with Asana.